Great free and open source applications to replace proprietary software. Number 1, LibreOffice. A free replacement for Microsoft Office. This fantastic Office suite offers just about everything you need, nothing you don't. It's great with editing Microsoft Office type files, including Word, Excel and PowerPoint files. It boasts many of the same features and has similar aesthetics, and works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, BSD, macOS, React OS, as well as many other operating systems. So if you want a free Office suite that's pretty much like Microsoft Office, then LibreOffice is the one for you. Number 2, GIMP. Short for GNU Image Manipulation Program, GIMP is a free and open source replacement for Adobe's Photoshop, which comes with a hefty price tag. Meanwhile, GIMP is completely free, and it's open source. Plus, it works on more operating systems than Photoshop, and boasts just about all the same features and functionality Photoshop has. Sure, it may lack a couple of more advanced features, but who's going to really need those anyway? GIMP works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, macOS, and BSD. Number 3, Virtualbox. Oracle's Virtualbox is the perfect replacement for VMware Workstation or VMware Player, as it is free and open source, supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Solaris. It offers the same level of functionality and features, plus it's generally more secure than VMware Workstation or Player, or at least not as vulnerable to threats or attacks. So if you want a free virtualization tool that lets you run any OS you want, then Oracle's Virtualbox should be on your list. Number 4, Audacity. A great replacement for NCH's WavePad, Audacity comes packed full of many great effects and features. It supports real-time effects, works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, BSD, macOS, React OS, as well as other Unix-like operating systems, and it can use a vast array of plugins like VSTs. So if you're looking for a free audio editor that's better than this free version of WavePad, give Audacity a try. Number 5, VLC Media Player. This fantastic free and open source media player will play just about anything you throw at it. It supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, macOS, React OS, Solaris, as well as Android and iOS. So no matter what operating system or device you're using, you can view audio and video on it. Plus, VLC comes packed full of great features and functionality, so if you want a better than decent media player, VLC Media Player is a good bet. Number 6, QBitTorrent. A great free and open source torrenting client. You can say goodbye to microtorrent for good. QBitTorrent works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It has a very clean interface, gets the job done with no fuss or hassle. It also shows various things such as download speeds, trackers, all the things you'd expect to see in a torrent client. QBitTorrent is a great replacement for microtorrent or BitTorrent. Number 7, OBS Studio. Are you looking for a free alternative to Bandicam? Then look no further, because the team at OBS have you covered. OBS is a free and open source screen recorder for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It comes packed full of many great features and decent functionality. It can capture many types of things, ranging from webcams and windows to your whole entire screen. It can even capture videos playing in VLC Media Player. How cool is that? OBS is also perfect for streamers, as it can be optimized just for streaming. So you gamers and streamers might want to give OBS a try if you're looking for a fantastic free screen recorder. Number 8, LMMS. A free alternative digital audio workstation to FL Studio and Ableton Live. LMMS is a free and open source digital audio workstation, DAW, that can make some cool sounding music, and if you add in VSTs and other plugins, you can create stuff like professional sounding dubstep. However, bare-bones LMMS can only create basic chiptunes or songs, although it's a great place to start if you want to begin creating digital music, as it's very easy to use, comes with a lot of instruments, effects, features and all. LMMS officially supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but also has ports available on BSD, Haiku OS, and might work on other operating systems too. So if you want a digital audio workstation that does not come with a hefty price tag, consider LMMS as a great free option, and give it a go. Number 9. Librawolf. This free and open-source privacy-focused web browser is the perfect replacement for Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Librawolf has features to enhance privacy. It's also very customizable, supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and there is 0% telemetry, ads, bloat, or any shit like that with Librawolf. So if telemetry and privacy are a big concern to you, ditch the browser you're using right now and use Librawolf instead. Finally, at number 10, we have Mozilla Thunderbird email client for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Mozilla Thunderbird is a great desktop email client that can have multiple email accounts connected. It also has a calendar for taking notes of important events. Thunderbird can do pretty much everything Microsoft Outlook and Gmail can do. It's better than both because it provides users a local way of browsing emails without always launching a browser, and it supports way more systems than Microsoft Outlook. So if you want a decent free and open source email client, then Mozilla Thunderbird is your best bet. So, there you have it. These are my top 10 picks for the best free and open source applications to replace paid for proprietary ones. Are you planning on ditching proprietary software anytime soon? Have you done so already? And, do you prefer free software to paid for proprietary software? Let me know in the comments section below. Alrighty, that's it for this video folks. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.